Thai basil. Thai basil, Thai, RTGS, hōraphā, ISO, hōraphā, pronounced hǒៈ-rá, pḥāː, Khmer, neang vorng, Vietnamese, Hong Kong, called káu-chàn-thah, in Taiwan, is a type of basil native to Southeast Asia that has been cultivated to provide distinctive traits, widely used throughout Southeast Asia. Its flavor, described as anise and licorice-like, and slightly spicy, is more stable under high or extended cooking temperatures than that of sweet basil. Thai basil has small, narrow leaves, purple stems, and pink-purple flowers. Taxonomy and Nomenclature. Sweet basil, Ocimum basilicum, has multiple cultivars. Thai basil, Ocimum basilicum var thyrsiflora, is one such cultivated variety. Description. Thai basil is sturdy and compact, growing up to 45 centimeters, and has shiny green, slightly serrated, narrow leaves with a sweet, anise-like scent and hints of licorice, along with a slight spiciness lacking in sweet basil. Thai basil has a purple stem, and like other plants in the mint family, the stem is square. Its leaves are opposite and decussate. As implied by its scientific name, Thai basil flowers in the form of a thyrse. The inflorescence is purple, and the flowers when open are pink. The genus name Ocimum is derived from the Greek word meaning to smell, which is appropriate for most members of the plant family Lamiaceae, also known as the mint family. With over 40 cultivars of basil, this abundance of flavors, aromas, and colors leads to confusion when identifying specific cultivars. Culinary uses. Thai basil is widely used in the cuisines of Southeast Asia, including Thai, Vietnamese, Lao, and Cambodian cuisines. Thai basil leaves are a frequent ingredient in Thai green and red curries, though in Thailand the basil used in drunken noodles, and many chicken, pork, and seafood dishes is holy basil. In the West, however, such dishes typically contain Thai basil instead, which is much more readily available than holy basil. Thai basil is also an important ingredient in the very popular Taiwanese dish sanbiji, 3-cup chicken. Used as a condiment, a plate of raw Thai basil leaves is often served as an accompaniment to many Vietnamese dishes, such as pḥāː, Southern style, bon bo hu, or ban zao, so that each person can season to taste with the anise-flavored leaves. 3 types of basil are commonly used in Thai cuisine. Thai basil, or hōraphā, Thai, is widely used throughout Southeast Asia and plays a prominent role in Vietnamese cuisine. It is the cultivar most often used for Asian cooking in Western kitchens. Holy basil, Oteniflorum, Mri Pruv, Khmer, or Kafreo, Thai, which has a spicy, peppery, clove-like taste, may be the basil Thai people love most. 893. 11. It is also known as Thai holy basil or by its Indian name, Tulsi or Tulsi. It is widely used in India for culinary, medicinal, and religious purposes. Lemon basil, Ocitriodorum, or Minglak, Thai, as its name implies, has undertones of lemon in scent and taste. Lemon basil is the least commonly used type of basil in Thailand. 894. It is also known as Thai lemon basil, in contradistinction to Mrs. Burns lemon basil, another cultivar.
If anything in this video resonated with you, be sure to like it, share it with your friends, leave a comment, and as always, don't forget to subscribe.